Came up to the Trappers Lake Lodge. They have a restaurant here that I told myself I wanted to eat at least once before the end of the season, and today is my last day, so I really put it off. It's a little expensive, that's why I haven't eaten here, but I figured I'd treat myself. So this is in the restaurant. They have a little souvenir shop up in the loft. I'll give you a peek over the railing here. A big elk up there.
Last time I got the grinder.
Yep, a great place to park the van for a few months. Well, this is it. Last campfire at the campground. I said I'm gonna miss this place already. Well, little thermometer is showing 33 up in the cab. Windshield's all frosted over. A little chilly this morning. Well, greetings all. We are coming at you from the camper van here at the campground. Today is departure day. It is about 7 a.m. in the morning, Monday morning here. And all I really have to do is hitch up the trailer to the van and we should be good to go. I've got a few things to secure, take off the counter here, and we will be good to go. I'm pretty excited. We've got a big day of driving ahead of me today. I'm gonna try to probably drive all day, get some miles behind me, and we'll see where we end up. I do have a tentative camp for the night. Probably will be showing up just around dark, if not after dark, which I don't like to do, but I really want to get some miles behind me on this first day of driving. So let's do this. I'm gonna get hitched up here. I'm gonna get a warm beverage going, get dressed, and we will do this. The adventure is gonna continue. Okay, we are hitched up and almost ready to go. I'm gonna take down my camp host sign, satellite, internet. Just let the van warm up. Looks like we're in for a beautiful day. About another 4 days. I think the leaves will be peaking here. Everything will turn all red. But I think I'm going to see some of that in my drive departing from here over the next few days. Take one last look up at the peak here. Gosh, it's just so beautiful here. It is freezing out. We got frost everywhere. Just went down and checked on the bathrooms one last time. This campground is actually open for one more week. I'm departing today, and our host that's up above at the campground 5 miles up the road, he's gotten so slow that he's going to take over the last week here. He'll just come down and check for fees and check on the bathrooms. And that allows me to say the adventure continues. Let's do this, guys. Let's go. Goodbye, Himes Peak Campground. Thanks for the amazing summer. It is time to hit the road. All right, let's do this. About 5 minutes behind schedule. It is 8:05. I was shooting for 8 a.m. Give the van a good looking over, check my tire pressure, oil. We are looking good. Okay, we're gonna take a drive through the loop here. This is an 11 site campground. I occupy the first site up here. Tim, the host from up above the campground up the road, is gonna come down and grab this water tank and leftover firewood. I did my last cleaning and stocking on the bathrooms this morning, so it is time to roll. All the campers are aware that Tim will be coming down, so hopefully they behave themselves. Yeah, and everything looks good. I haven't had to do any yard work for the last couple weeks. It's just been too cold. None of the grass is growing. It's been very nice. Still got 2 campsites filled with groups of hunters. They are leaving tomorrow. This trailer up here on the left is leaving today, so it'll be an empty campground probably for, I would assume, the last weekend. We may get some campers up here, but all right, that is it. Goodbye, Humps Peak Campground. Have I said I'm gonna miss this place yet? Well, as much as I am gonna miss it, I am really looking forward to moving on here. Boy, what a beautiful morning. It is chilly, but very nice seeing the sun come up over the horizon, light up these trees. Feeling good. Make one stop on the way out of here, have one last sheet of paperwork to drop off, and I have a couple things in the freezer that I've been using down at the other campground. So got to get my chicken wings. Some chicken wings and some frozen blueberries, I think, in there. Well, I haven't done this for a while. I've driven the van a few times over the summer. I go up every couple weeks up top to fill up my drinking water. That's spring water up there. It's really good water. So I do that. That's 10 miles round trip, maybe 11 miles round trip. And then I drove into town with the van a couple times into Meeker. So that's a good 100-mile round trip. But overall, I didn't do a lot of driving with the van. I did take the motorcycle into town quite a few more times than I did with the van to get groceries. You can use my saddlebags, duffel bag, and backpack and really stock up. So I did that. Yeah, overall, saved quite a bit of money this summer by just not moving around and burning gas. So even with the low pay here, I was able to come out ahead. Can't get my toes to warm up. I got the heater blasted on them and they just won't thaw out. Well, I guess this is as good a time as any to say those words. You guys are welcome to join along with me. Away we go. Well, we are approaching the Wyoming state line. After spending the whole summer in Colorado, we have come to that time. It's time to say goodbye, Colorado, and hello, Wyoming. Hello, Wyoming. Goodbye, Colorado. Looks the same. Okay, this is saying rest area. It's only the second rest area I've come upon on this route. I'm gonna go ahead and exit here. I'm getting really tired. It's now 5 p.m. I need a pit stop more than anything. This is the town of Kaycee, Wyoming. Oh, there's the sign right there. Oh boy. Yeah, I gotta use the bathroom. Well, this is an interesting little town. Country Inn dining. Should have waited. I didn't think there was anywhere to eat in this little town. The Invasion Bar and Restaurant. Right, here we go. Fires and pits and grill. It's only camping 5 days per month.
No firearms, no loud music. Do not skin or gut game in park. Do not hang game in park. I don't plan on it. Oh look, there's a few campers here already. Hey, this is kind of cool. I didn't think there to be anyone else camped here, but I've done a lot of these free camping in city parks or in these town parks in states like, Montana, Wyoming, South Dakota, North Dakota. A lot of those states have this kind of setup, which is pretty cool. It's cool for a town to offer that. I think I'm gonna go pull right over in these trees here. I don't think any of these buildings are occupied. All right, that's good. Well, there we are. We're gonna call that camp for the night. That worked out great. I am done driving for the day. Cool little park. Kind of weird, or right next to some buildings over here and some houses, but a friendly little neighborhood. All right, I'm gonna get the van straightened up. So I am tucked back here in the cottonwoods, in the corner of this little town park. Got a couple other campers, 2 trailers, one little one behind it there. It's just kind of a loop that goes around. They have a porta potty and a trash can. They do have a little locked can up front by the gate that says donations, so I think I'll drop a few dollars in there. Pretty cool when little towns offer stuff like this. So this will just be an overnight. It's now about 6 p.m. I'll probably depart by 8 a.m. if not earlier tomorrow. Just gonna do a little video editing tonight and just kick back and relax after a long day of driving. Perfect spot for that. We are a little close to the interstate. The interstate is probably, the distance of about 3 or 4 blocks through the trees that way. You can actually see cars up this way. It veers around. But not too bad, and I'd imagine after dark there's not a whole lot of traffic on this part of the interstate up this way. So anyway, I'm gonna get in there and get comfortable.
Well, good morning all. We are coming at you from the camper van here at the town park in Kaycee, Wyoming. Anyway, I tried to plan my route to where I drove all day yesterday, and today to get to my next camp is only going to be, I think, a few hour drive. So I'm going to incorporate a supply stop. I'm going to stop and get supplies for just the next few days, fill up all my water jugs. They're empty. I've just got like a gallon left. And then get on to my camp. I'd like to get there hopefully by early afternoon if possible. We do have some warmer temps coming in the area. I think today is supposed to be in the low 80s, and then tomorrow is supposed to be in the mid to high 80s. So that's new as well. I've been in freezing to just very cool temperatures in the afternoons the last few weeks. So we got that to look forward to. It's actually kind of nice. It was really nice last night not having to worry about being cold, and this morning I didn't have to turn the heater on. I think I had 54 degrees up front in the cab, and I got 63 back here. When I left the campground yesterday, it was like, I think, 33 degrees in the morning. So yeah, quite a bit warmer, which is nice. And really cool to wake up in this little town park. Give you a little glimpse out the window. It's just neat that they allow this, that you can do this. I look out one window here, I got cottonwoods, and I look out the other window and I can see somebody's house in the neighborhood right here, which is just kind of weird. But anyway, I'm going to get going here. I'm just going to do a quick breakfast, just make some oatmeal, and get ready to roll.
You do have a little donation thing here, so I'm going to stick a few bucks in there.
There. Well, I just want to thank you all for joining me on this first leg of our next adventure. Really excited to bring you guys along. I appreciate y'all being here. We'll be catching up where we left off here in the next video. Thank you for joining me. We'll see you soon. Take care, guys. Peace.